Hi, welcome to Kids Baking Club. This is the channel for kids and adults who want to learn the art of baking and decorating. In all of the videos you will see, we engage and ignite the learning of a life skill that is so important, and that is being in the kitchen and learning how to bake and decorate. We also have a baking kit that we send throughout the country for kids ages 5 to 12 who want to learn the life skill at an early age of baking and decorating. In each kit, we have a theme with baking recipes, which include sweet and savory. They're photo step-by-step recipes. Also included in the kits are the baking tools and the decorating supplies needed for that month's kit. And we always include a baking lesson and a shopping list. And with your first month's kit, you get a free bonus apron, which is at $18.99 value. So that's really, really special. So we hope that you enjoy all of the videos here on our channel, but also go to kidsbakingclub.com and you'll learn all about our amazing baking kits for kids. Welcome. We're so glad you're here.